Hello people. Have you ever tried listening to music at full volume and it sounds overblown in Windows 10? I'll give you an example. You hear how like overblown the audio is at 0 dB? Like if I lower down to like 10 dB, it won't sound overblown. See what I mean? So basically this video I'm just gonna teach you how to fix that problem. Basically the first thing to do is to install Equalizer APO. I've already have it installed, but you can get it somewhere through a YouTube tutorial of some sort. And once you go through all the configurations, it will give you this. Well, one thing to point out is that once you install this device, it will not give you the shortcut. So I would just recommend just like selecting one, hold Alt, and then drag it to the desktop, just so you can get access to these files pretty easily. So what I want you to do is click on configurator.exe, and whatever the channel, and just select the playback device you're using. For this case, I'm using the speaker/headphones, because those are the ones that often get this issue. Just click on the check mark, click on the check mark, click on troubleshooting options, install as LFX/GFX, take off this, and press OK. It will give you this. It will give you like a disclaimer that it's gonna reboot your system. I'm gonna do it right now, so I'm gonna stop recording. Alright, so I just rebooted my system, and yeah, now the APO is officially installed in the computer. And now that when you play any song or like producing some songs on the DAW, when it gets hot at 0 dB, it will not sound very compressed or like sounds like it's been like compressed by a limiter or some sort. Oh, so play this same song again. See, it sounds a lot better. See, it sounds exactly the same. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you find this helpful, good for you. Yeah, I'm signing off.